Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 5 of our 30-day smoothie challenge, and today we are going to make carrot, pineapple and goji berry smoothie. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to push the little bell notification because I'm going to be uploading for the next 25 days regularly. So without further ado, let's get right into making. Okay, first off we need carrots. So carrots are rich in beta carotene, which is the orange pigment found in the carrot, and it's basically a molecule which the body changes easily into vitamin A. Second ingredient is pineapple, and it's rich in vitamin C, helps to maintain weight and aids in digestion. Next up we are going to use an orange, and this one is rich in vitamin C and also in fiber. Next up we are going to use this goji berry powder, and if you can find fresh, that is amazing, but I cannot find it nearby, so I'm using this goji berry powder from Matcha Reserve. So if you do not know, Matcha Reserve is a company which makes a high quality superfood, and if you want to check, I will leave the link in my description box. Feel free to check that. And goji berry is one of the top superfood, and it contains all essential amino acids, and it has highest concentration of protein, and also it has highest content of vitamin C as compared to any other fruit in the world. And there are so many benefits, like it has anti-aging properties, it's rich in antioxidants, so it's really good for your skin. And also this one helps to maintain weight because it's low calorie and fat free. And we are also going to be using this Hemp Hearts, and this one is rich in protein. And lastly, to blend everything together, I'm using this coconut water because it's rich in electrolytes and gives you hydration. Alright you guys, so that was all for today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye!